Oye, spread your wings, Rico!
Academia Cacha, I presume.
Easy? Listo. I've identified the re-education centers on the blueprints. Uploading coordinates.
It's time to break these people free.
We'll send evac just outside the facility. Just get as many as you can out of there.
Copy that.
Hostile in our area of operation.
Acknowledge. Intruder on site. All units engage.
Helicopter inbound. Heading to AO.
I need this. Enemy air unit detected. Weapons are up.
Be advised. Target at the helicopter.
Acknowledge. Hostile now in chopper. Surface to air system is online.
Not staying here! Enemy spotted!
Time to go, amigos.
Hey, thank you so much, senor. Vámonos, let's get out of here.
Contact! Contact! I got him!
last known position was on site.
Need
Stand by.
support!
We'll handle them from here, Rico.
All Black Hand units, stand by for more intel.
Adios.
Ay, gracias. I can't believe it.
Believe it later. Have to fight your way out.
Understood. Targeting in the tank. Target's last known position was on site. Stand by.
Sorrento, they're ready for evac. We're going to. Shoot anyone that tries to stop you.
Helicopter inbound. Heading for you.
Back off!
Air support is en route.
All units, hold positions.
Standing by. Get me a target, people. Going back to cover.
We can't get through here!
Wanna get behind something?
All Black Bear units, stand by for more intel.
Opening fire!
Hola! He's open. Vámonos.
Air support is en route.
Shotgun. Nice.
Target's last known position was on site. Stand by.
That's the last of them.
You gave some people their lives back today, Rico. So Liz will hear about this.
Nicely executed, team.
Lost contact with enemy. Regroup.
Rico, I think it's time we take Solis's International Airport away from Oscar Espinosa.
You won't like that. I'm in.
Marking an old airstrip nearby. Swing by when you're ready.
We are under attack, Command.
Tough luck.
you think?
Will that thing fly?
Want me to run you through pre-flight?
Eh,
Didn't think so. Let's get in the air. So, an old friend, a flight controller, has the codes we need to scramble the ATC tower's computers.
no control over flights coming or going.
And the airport is useless, all planes grounded. Until we fix it once the airport is secure.
This friend of yours reliable?
We've known each other since we were kids. I trust her.
Then I'll trust her too. Aeropuerto General Benitez is where you smuggled me in, isn't it?
See, I used to fly out of there all the time. Paris, Amsterdam, Tokyo.
Medici.
See? There too.
Unidentified air...
Didn't think so. Let's get in the air. Hangar 6. This is it. In here. Where is she? Dios mío, no.
Black Hand.
I've got you now.
Hostile in our area of operation.
Acknowledged. Intruder on site. All units engaged.
Mierda.
Sorry about your friend.
Now's not the time. We need to get to that ATC tower.
I'll find us a ride.
No further contact. All units, stay alert.
Let's go.
So, what's the plan now?
One thing at a time, Rico. A plan is a list of things that go wrong, right?
I remember saying that right before I got my ass kicked.
Eso. Let me think.
Any ideas yet?
Maybe. See, if we can restart the ATC systems, I should still be able to slip the malware in.
How do we restart the system?
I got it. Easy.
Buenas.
Punch up some code that will cause the Jetway consoles to infinitely ping the ATC system for permission to open.
That's it? No problem.
Rico, you'll have to move fast to get those programs running on every console.
Copy.
I uploaded the goods to Rico's grappling gizmo.
Gracias, Sisi. Listo. Head to unoccupied jetways and plug EC's code into the consoles there. Sargento.
Si, senora. I'm marking your target, Rico.
Command, we have an intruder on site.
Copy on hostile contact. Free to engage. Hostile hasn't re-engaged. Eyes open for further contact.
Here goes nothing.
Yeah. You'll need to get all the consoles for this to work, though.
How's it going?
It's gonna take a few minutes. Just cover me.
All units, hold positions.
Ooh.
Open fire!
Mira,
Almost there. And done. Done! This system's a mess. This airport is useless now. Let's get out of here. Find us a getaway vehicle.
where to?
Kuya. Sargento, have someone meet me there for evac.
They're on their way. Marking the point for you.
That target is in a ground vehicle.
aircraft inbound, Rico.
Here they come.
Command, we have lost visual. Please advise.
Acknowledge. Maintain pursuit.
Let's go!
Tank squad deployed. On our way.
Target acquired!
Enemy aircraft inbound, Rico.
Here they come.
You're almost there.
This is it. Pull up here. Aye, that didn't go according to plan, did it?
It never does. But we made it work.
Gracias, Rico. Hablamos.
Rico, we got a lead on a Black Hand spy dressed in plain clothes. They think someone important is on their way to pick them up. Go be that pickup driver.
I need this.
Listo. Go give the Huepucha a ride.
A dispatch. Made the pickup.
Funny. Now just destroy that vehicle, but it's gotta look like an accident. They can't know that we know. You know?
Let's get this over with, shall we?
That's it for that passenger.
And we should all be safer because of it. Gracias, Rico.
Rico.
Listen, Cesar, he doesn't spend much time around people. Not anymore.
This is a secret agent?
See, this is Rico.
Ira says you have something to show me.
Proof. Proof that none of the weather occurring in Solis is natural. Come on now back. I've got to...
Who put that there?
Just 1 minute and I'll have this... Why, what are you looking for that? Okay, right here, and plug this in and... Okay,
Remember, Cesar, stick to what we talked about.
See. Okay.
The tornado that hit Nueva Voz, the capital, 10 years ago. Mina Vendaval a few months later. My plane. All destroyed by tornadoes. Tornadoes controlled by... the reptilians.
Mierda, Cesar.
Or the Nordics, but I've definitely ruled out the Greys. No abductions.
Mira,
Cesar.
Yeah, wait. Watch this. How do you explain that, huh? Appears out of nowhere, and moments later, a tornado forms around it.
Look familiar?
play that again.
You've seen it too, haven't you?
Go on.
I seen it here and here.
This is near Yapa, and this is Zona 3.
At Alien Weather Lab.
A weather research facility. Both Yapa and Zona 3 are funded by
Oscar Espinosa.
the man behind it all.
If he even is a man.
Let's assume he is a man. Do you think this UFO is a core we could use to hack into the Apple network?
If we can get to it, see.
Impossible. It's inside a tornado.
What if I dive down?
Dive down. Into the eye of a tornado.
So, how do we make it happen?
I say, we start with this. Let's go over it one more time, bien?
Okay. We need to trap and grow a tornado. To do that,
We need the wing cannons from the Alien Weather Lab
Zona 3.
to steer it to the capital.
to know where to place the wind cannons,
I will use the radar equipment at Ojo de la Pradera.
I will need to follow and track the tornado.
I'll drive the Storm Chaser.
To build the storm chaser,
We need to bring some of the alien weather tracking equipment from the Alien Weather Lab
Cesar.
from Zona 3 to Prisa Automobile.
and when the time is right, the army disables the wind cannons protecting Mina Vendaval.
That will allow the tornado to go towards Nueva Voz.
Which the army will evacuate.
Build a perimeter of wing cannons around Torre Espinosa.
And we grow the tornado there until it's big enough.
Then I jump in on Caesar's UFO and do something.
What do we think?
He's fucking nuts.
And that's why it's gonna work.